Hi, this is Lacey coming to you live from Car Subaru in Beaverton. Thanks for clicking on that link. We're taking the virtual tour of the 2011 Subaru Impreza WRX Limited Sports Wagon. The stock number for this car is SP1875. This is a 4-cylinder turbo, 2.5-liter manual 5-speed with overdrive. Has a roof spoiler, moonroof as well. Traction control, sport suspension, Bluetooth wireless, all leather interior. There's power steering, power windows, power doors, power locks, AM/FM stereo. There's also a navigation and video system inside. For more information on this car or any other cars in our inventory, give us a call on the number provided above. We would love to earn your business. Thank you for watching.